Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Got Camera, and today I want to talk to you about the best ice bath company for recovery, or Wim Hof method, or whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to do. This is Bill Bashon, the founder, who I've done another video with, and I will link it up right here. I'll also link his channel in the description so you can go check it out. And this is Caitlin Wren, the amazing, the beautiful, another biohacker who I will link up in the description, who you should go check out, especially if you are a female trying to optimize your health. She is your girl. In this video, I want to walk you through the best ice bath company and why Renew Therapy, yes, Renew Therapy, makes the best cold plunges in the world. And I'm gonna run you through all the specs, how it works, the features, the benefits, all the logistics, everything that you need to know, so that hopefully by the end of this video, you can make an educated decision if this product is right for you. Let's get into it. So let's talk about why Renew Therapy is actually the best. So first thing is that when you order it, it gets shipped and delivered right to your curb. And then after that, the way these are built is they can go indoor or outdoor. They're weather sealed. They're meant to be outside or inside. It doesn't matter. They can withstand the water. They can withstand the sun. They can withstand it all, the elements, okay? Third thing is that they're super simple to set up. It's just plug and play. Once you get it, you plug it into the wall and you turn it on, you put some water in, throw a little bit of ice to get it going, and then it's cold and it's ready to go, and your plunge is up and running just like that. And it only takes about 3 minutes to set up, and anyone can do it. So next is, if this, let's just say, were to be unplugged for 48 hours, you're only gonna lose about 6 to 8 degrees of temperature, meaning this is so well insulated that it's gonna hold the temperature for a very, very long time. As far as maintenance goes, you're only gonna have to change a filter about once a month, and that's gonna run you between $4 and $5-ish. So really not much maintenance at all. And as far as cleaning systems and water circulation, this machine, this piece of art, as I would call it, it works so well that you're rarely gonna have to replace the water or even clean it. It just does it on its own. The next thing that makes Renew Therapy the best ice bath is they have these breath decks. So for a lot of people, myself included, I love to do breath work accompanying with my cold plunge or my ice bath. And this is a little section that has been created just for you to sit and do some nice breath work before you get into your plunge. Obviously, you should not be doing breath work while you're in the water, but right here, and then after you're done, you come in and jump in. And they even have a custom step that matches your breath deck. So everything looks beautiful. And as far as the actual mechanics of this, everything that is electrical is housed in a waterproof mechanics bay, so everything is safe. There are some other cold plunges and ice bath companies that have equipment that is not protected, that is not sealed, that is not covered, and thus we're ensuring that everything is safe. So these units are perfect for commercial use because you don't have to do anything special with permits or plumbing or electrical. You just plug it in and it's good to go, and it can be moved around. And because of that, a lot of people are writing it off as a tax deduction, as a medical device. You know, I'm not a tax professional, so I can't say what you can or cannot do, but I know that some people might be able to do that. And the best part about this company really is Bill, the founder. He's just an epic dude. And this guy is the reason why this company is so amazing, really, truly, because he ensures that there's going to be amazing customer service and an express warranty in case anything goes wrong. So I got Bill here. He's going to walk us through the different units and the different options that you have with Renew Therapy and why he set them up this way and who they're for.
All right, so these two would be considered size-wise standard. Guy's 6'5", 255 pounds. He's actually on our website on the homepage. You can see him tucked in this pretty deep. So 6'5", 255 in weight is a pretty big guy, so big people will fit in the standard size. From there, I'm stepping up to a large. I don't have one here, but it's similar to this, but it's a little bit lower. Same length, same width, just a little bit lower, so about 30 inches in depth, and that would be considered the large. And then finally the large deep, which is this behemoth right here. This is a really big cold plunge tank, and it's kind of fun going in a bigger volume of water. So there's 3 sizes: standard, large, and large deep. On the website, these will all be under a different name. So the standard will be the Cold Stoic, the large will be then the Siberian, not to confuse everybody, and then we'll have a different name for the large deep. Once you decide on your size, then you can decide on your fit and finish. So you basically have 2 options: the body color and the wood deck breath, the breath deck, where you sit up and do all your breath work. This right here is redwood, and when we ship it out, we always pre-oil it with the food grade safe oil that you could use on your cutting board, so it's nothing toxic or anything like that. So we will oil it and then we wax it, and pretty soon you'll be able to buy that same oil and wax on the website. So that's redwood. This right here is the Shusugibon treatment, where we take a high grade wood and we burn it, scrape it, and continue to do that process to the desired effect. And there's 2 effects we're going to offer folks. One is more of a tiger stripe, which follows the suit of the Siberian tiger. And then this one is where we burn it quite a lot more. We go through the process of quite often to get it this texture. And so you can see the texture is where the harder parts of the wood will stand up and the softer parts will burn away, and it just gives it a really cool texture. So this one's a little bit more of a less texture but more color or variation, and so those are the 2 Shusugibon options that folks will have. And then we're also doing cedar, and this is cedar. Cedar, a lot of folks like cedar because they have sauna and they want it to kind of jive with their sauna and look uniform. Cedar has a bit more of knots. This is called the Pacific Red Cedar, so it's a really good cedar, and but it does have knots, which is part of the effect and makes it look beautiful. And of course we do matching steps, so whatever you order, the step will then match. So those are the main options, and then we have a kind of a up and coming, it's going to be cool. We're still working on the prototypes and stuff like that, but we call it Black India, and it's essentially a gloss top. So it's an epoxy top, and we treat the wood with the India ink to get it really black, and then we put the epoxy over it. And this would not be meant for anybody putting it outside, because epoxy and UV don't really, it'll yellow in the sun. So if you have an indoor application and you like this look, you could go with the Black India. And then as far as the colors, any one of the units you can do in the white, black, light gray, or if you can see this is basalt gray, it's a bit darker. So that's 4 options for the body. So you can mix and match. I want white with Shusugibon, I want white with redwood or cedar or what have you.
So as you can see, Bill has put a lot of thought into the design, into the build of these units. And that's what I love about Renew Therapy. That's what I love about what he's created and what he's built. I remember I met him at the very inception of this company, and I'm so proud to see it grow, and I'm so proud to support it. And I see the future of cold therapy, and I see the future of ice baths and cold thermogenesis and all that stuff is growing immensely. And once you experience it, once you start creating a regular practice, you're going to understand why people are so crazy and fanatical about it. And it's because it really, really works. And there hasn't been a company yet that I've found that does a better job of producing the highest quality product than Renew. So I will put a special link down below if you want to go check it out, which you can get a discount on any unit that you decide to get. And if you haven't seen the other videos that I've made on the cold plunge or on the DIY one that I built, then I will link up the playlist somewhere up here. So I think it's up there so that you can go check it out, and I'll also put it in the description. So like this video if you found this helpful, and go check out that playlist. And if you made it to this far in the video, comment cold plunge down below and subscribe to the channel for more health, wellness, biohacking, all that fun stuff. I'll see you in the next one.